By the end of the video you will know about sure. Here's an easy to follow HIIT workout designed specifically for beginners that you can complete in just 20 minutes warm up opening parenthesis 3 minutes closing parenthesis colon start with 1 minute of light jogging or marching in place to get your heart rate up. Follow up with 1 minute of arm circles, 30 seconds forward, 30 seconds backward. Finish with 1 minute of bodyweight squats to warm up your lower body. Workout 12 minutes. Perform each exercise for 40 seconds, followed by 20 seconds of rest. Complete the circuit twice. Jumping jacks, a classic exercise to get your heart pumping and warm up your entire body. Bodyweight lunges, step forward with one leg and lower your body until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Alternate legs with each rep. Push-ups modified if needed. Perform push-ups either on your toes or knees, focusing on maintaining a straight line from your head to your knees or toes. High knees, jog in place while lifting your knees as high as possible with each step. Plank, hold a plank position on your hands or forearms, engaging your core and keeping your body in a straight line. Mountain climbers, start in a plank position and alternate bringing your knees towards your chest in a running motion. Cool down opening parenthesis 5 minutes closing parenthesis colon take 1 minute to walk or march in place to gradually lower your heart rate. Spend 2 minutes performing static stretches, focusing on major muscle groups such as your calves, quadriceps, hamstrings, chest,